Do you know the difference between advise and advice? The big difference is simple. Advise is a verb and advice is a noun. Advise means to give someone a recommendation. I advise you to study. Because advise is a verb, it describes an action. It describes an action. A useful pattern is advise plus someone plus to plus a verb. I advise you to study. She advised him to wait. Which is correct? B. I advise you to study. Advise, person, to, verb. We can also use advise before a verb ending in ing. Listen carefully. Advise ends with a Z sound, with advise. Advise.
Advice is a noun. It means a recommendation or helpful suggestion. Thank you for your advice. Advice ends with an S sound. Advice. Advise, Z. Advice, S. Remember, advice is a noun, so we can receive or give advice. Here is an example sentence. Can I ask for your advice?
Be careful. Be careful. We normally say some advice, not an advice. Which sentence is correct? Some advice. Some advice. Now compare them. Advice is an action. Advice is a thing. Look at the difference in these two sentences. One is a verb and the other is a noun. Final challenge. Challenge. Choose advise or advice. Advice. The answers are advice, advise, advice, and advice. Advice is the action. Advice is the recommendation. Great job! Thank you for learning with me. Like, follow, and subscribe to Mr. Riyan Channel for more English lessons.